Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to enter pairing mode on your Audio Pro C20 and how to connect it with our phone, Android phone. Let's get started. At first we have to go to Bluetooth from this to this with our source button. We have to click 6 times. Now, as you can see, our light is pulsing, so that is our sign to go to our control panel, hold on Bluetooth, pair new device, and as you can see, there is hard reset 1. I named it hard reset. For you it will be Audio Pro C20. You have to click on this your device, allow, and click pair. As you can see, now our light is not pulsing, and that's all. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more details of videos. Goodbye.